What's the meaning of this? I told you that my man you don't mess with. You don't fuck with me. I told you, right? Listen. Remove that gun from here. Oh, just put that gun away. I will bury my mother and you will not put that gun away! That's my mom. Go down! Down! Come on, let's go, guys! Let's go!
My God! Oh my God! It's actually a dream. Oh, God. Thank you, Jesus. Hello, Sonia. What? I'll be right there. I'm coming right away. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Out of my way! Get out! Get out! Get out!
It will never be possible. My friend, shut up your mouth. My mother can never be buried in Uduneke. My mother will be buried in Amman. You are mad to say that. I want you guys. I will mess you up. My mother will be buried in Amman. It's okay now. You've grown wings. What's wrong with you? I'll kill you.
My children, please, you all should listen to me.
Auntie, adults age are here. There's nothing anybody is going to tell me. I can never be alive and watch this happen. My own mother being buried in Udi instead of our place in Kano. Why?
I don't understand it. That's exactly what is confusing me. My mother left their dad long before she met my dad and got married to him. She told me everything. I know the history. So why would they want our mom to be buried in their place instead of ours? Why? My children, this is something we can resolve amicably. I know you all love your mother so much and want to be part of her, whether dead or alive. But in this case...
Auntie, it's never done. It has never happened. A woman being buried in her ex-husband's house. What happens to her present one? No, tell me. Auntie, I don't care. I don't care if they are our elders or not. If they want war. If Obina and the sister want war, I swear to God, me single-handedly, I'll give them war. Many are war. Can you imagine my own mother being buried in Udi? I can never watch that one happen.
My son, but we can resolve. Auntie, you already know. You already know the solution to this problem. I know they listen to you. So please, speak to them. Talk to them, because if I involve my men in this matter, Auntie, blood go flow. You know me better. Some people will get missing and some people will die. So please, speak to them. They will listen to you. I don't mean to disrespect you, but I really need to calm my nerves. Honestly. Sonia, Auntie, please. If you're trying to convince us to change our mind, that is not going to work. It will never happen. I mean, how do you expect us to allow our mother buried in their place instead of ours? How is that possible? It's not possible. It's not done. What is going on? Margaret, I hope you're seeing all this.
Imagine Sonia and Ichaka, little children of yesterday, challenging us. Children we gave almost 5 to 7 years. They don't even know how many Christmas we celebrated before they were conceived. And Ichaka had the guts, the temerity, the nerves to question my authority. That's a big slap on my face.
You know, I'm still trying to wrap this whole thing around my head. The gods, those two, coming into this house to fight us. No, I will not take it lightly with them. If they don't know he's free, if they don't know the truth behind this whole thing, I will teach them the hard way.
You know what? I think I'm just being so quiet. I am being quiet about this. I am my mother's first son. So whatever I say stands. My mother is going to be buried in my place, and that's on period. It will be a slap on our faces if I allow those two have their way with us.
They will never. They will.
Uncle. Huh? Uncle, you're welcome.
Thank you. I'm just coming back from the hospital where my wife was admitted, and I heard what happened. Huh? How did those children challenge you? Who are they? I don't know. Huh? Listen to me. You are your mother's first son.
Okay.
Therefore, every decision you take stands. No one can challenge your authority. Maybe no one has taken time to educate them on the true situation. No problem. Let me tell you something. Even your grandfather was angry with their mother for cheating on your father with their father before they were born. No bride price was paid. No bride price, not even a kobo.
You heard it.
Yes.
You heard it.
Listen, they met abroad and then started having children. That's all. Look, I hope you dealt with those children very well. I hope you dealt with them.
Ejike Boyala. That boy is a fool. What he is smoking has started affecting his thinking faculty. They're just lucky. They are lucky Auntie Tina and Uncle Achebi were here. If not, they would have been cooling off in police cell, because I had that in mind. Nonetheless, I haven't forgiven them.
Don't worry, I will talk some sense into them. Imagine, don't they have respect for the elders, or maybe they don't know the elders? Is that it?
Oh, please, you do not need to worry yourself. We can handle it. You see those two? Often Kupu. We can handle them. Don't bother yourself. How is your wife doing today?
My dear, if I tell you she's getting any better, I'll be lying. And you know I'm not in the habit of lying. You see? You know these hospital problems, every day, one demand for money, this and that, money, every time. And in fact, right now I don't know what to do. In fact, I'm tired. Yeah? And you two have tried for me so much. I don't know.
You know, you are our closest favorite uncle, and a very big supporter in this. I'm going to give you some money before you leave.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you.
I'll give you some cash.
Thank you very much.
Meanwhile, let me offer you something to drink.
Hey, on top of the cash.
Oh yes.
Hey!
I'm sorry, but I'm just sorry. I was really angry when you walked in.
It's okay, my dear. Imagine those children, little kids of yesterday. What?
Don't walk your head.
Tina, I really knew there would be a kind of problem when this matter started. But this is getting more complicated than I expected. But these children ought to have been told everything. They ought to have known the truth before now.
They've refused to listen to anyone. They are just doing their biddings how it favors them. Every one of them wants to be on the advantage side.
Well, I quite understand that Margaret was so close to her children, not minding the fact that she got them from different men. She never segregated. But I feel she ought to have told them, have sorted this thing out before this time. Before she departed.
Babe, listen. I'm not disposed right now. okay? I'm not even at the right state of mind to come and pick you at the airport. That's why I asked you to pick a cab. Is that a big deal? Why are you being dramatic, Esther? Why?
Esther.
Yes. She's already at the airport. She's quarreling me because I asked her to pick a cab. I told her what happened. You know.
Well, that's women for you. I mean, most times we want to involve our men in our stuffs. But it's okay, I will go pick her up.
You go and pick her up?
Mm-hmm. Let me have your car keys.
Right.
I'll just go and ask her.
Please, drive safely.
That's fine. My son, listen.
Auntie, what dream are you talking about? And I hope you're not trying to blackmail us with this you dream thing. If there are people who you should talk to about this your dream, it should be those kids, not us. Because they have disrespected us already. They have. And you're aware. You know it.
Auntie, I don't like what is going on. We respect you a lot because you are like our second mother. If not, those two will be cooling off in the police station right now. Auntie, I don't need to tell you. My boyfriend is the commissioner. Just one call, one phone call. They will remain in a place until after our mother's funeral. But I don't want to do that because of family. So please, Auntie, let us do the right thing. Talk to them. Let this rubbish that took place today never happen again.
Those two are your siblings. Those two. Sonia, Ejike, they are your siblings.
Auntie, you know me. You know me. You know what I can do. If it were in those days, I would have spoiled everything. I have changed and you know it. What are we even talking about? I want to bury my mother where she deserves to be buried, and one idiot, one born by mistake, is somewhere telling me rubbish. Did you get? Oh, I am going to invite my friends all over the world, and they will come here and watch me bury my mother in another man's land.
It's not going to be possible.
That's an insult, and I will not take it.
Chichi, Sonia is your sister, and you as a woman, you should consider one thing. Learn to calm your brother down, not when he's talking. Saying things that he will do, and you two will be there telling me about your boyfriend that is a commission.
Auntie, I hope you are not trying to side those two. That is where I will be very, very angry with you.
I am not siding anybody. I am not siding anybody. But you have refused to listen to me.
Listen, Auntie, if you want to talk to some people about your dream, just go talk to Ejike and Sonia. When you're done talking to them, come back. Because I am not ready to listen to any dream. Please, I'm not ready to listen to anything.
I know you believe I fabricated my dreams, right? I didn't. It happened.
Babe. Babe, I'm sorry. I'm not in the mood for this now, okay? Just go to the bed. I'll join you soon.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You don't want me here or what? Since I got here, it's been one attitude upon one attitude. What is even going on here?
If you don't want me to be here, you'd have asked me to stay back.
Come on, babe. Come on. I already told you that I'm not in the right state of mind. My mind is not settled. I need all the time. I'm going through a lot. I need to focus. Please understand me.
I understand. But you also have to understand that I'm human. And I have blood flowing in my veins. I mean, I haven't been with my man for months. And this is all I get?
Baby, I already explained things to you. You should understand me. I'm your man. You're my girl. Okay? Understand me. Right now, I'm not fine. I'm not mentally okay.
You know what? Just save this. I don't have strength to fight with you today. There is a hotel very close to this place. I will go there and help myself tonight. By tomorrow morning, I will leave so you can concentrate because I'm tired. I can't do this again.
Come on, don't do this.
Don't you dare touch me.
Come on, don't do this. Babe, I'm sorry.
Please, you can resolve this.
Sonia, there is nothing to resolve. Your bro doesn't want me here. Eh? Okay, look at it. Since I got here, I've literally been with you instead of my so-called boyfriend. This little time I want to spend with him, he's still giving me bullshit. And I can't deal with this. I have to go, please.
Esther, listen. You need to understand the fact that this family is going through a lot. Please,
I am not a fool, Sonia. I understand everything this family is going through. All I ask is for my boyfriend to let me in. I can help.
Esther, please, listen to me, okay?
Okay, fine. Now say, I'm leaving. You are the one stopping me instead of my boyfriend. He doesn't want me here. Sonia, please,
Esther,
let me just go.
I know my brother and we both know that he loves you. He does. Esther, listen. Please, let's resolve this in the morning. I will talk to him to take things easy. Okay? Please. I will not let you go. You know I cannot let you go by this time.
Sonia, please. I respect you. But allow me go. Allow me go, please.
Esther, please stay. I beg you. I beg you in the name of God. Please. Please, I beg you. Please.
Sonia.
I don't know why I am having these strange feelings. That Ejike is up to something sinister. I can actually place my hand on whatever it is.
Should we launch an attack? What do you think?
I think I should just make some calls tomorrow morning. We don't need to take chances. We must not take that boy for granted or underestimate him. Whatever they are planning, we have to be 10 steps ahead of them.
Exactly my point. In that case, I need to also engage some intels.
Yes, trusted ones.
Already. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. I have to be somewhere very important.
Somewhere very important. You can't share.
No, I'll tell you when I'm back.
Okay, if you say so. How about Esther? Is she awake?
Like you don't know her. She's still sleeping.
Well, Ejike, you really need to take it easy with her. Because a girl will always be a girl. And sometimes we need that baby girl treatment. So, calm down.
Esther's own is too much. Sometimes she should try and read somebody's mood. Not every time, gone body. But it's fine. I've heard you. I will do better.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have to go now.
All right, be good.
So, AGK, you had everything I told you. Yeah? You have everything I told you. And listen, you have to listen to my advice. Yeah? If you must win this battle, you must listen to me and heed my advice. Everything I tell you, do it that way, follow it that way. You understand? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Uncle, I've never doubted your words before.
Okay.
You were also the one that told me about Obinna's plan before he made it public.
Oh.
So I know you have my back, 100.
Eh?
You have my back.
Do?
100.
Oh, I never.
Oh, blood. In our 247 now.
Lord, you understand? Eh? You know how close your mother and I were when she was alive. Eh? We were very, very close. She was my favorite cousin. We were so... I
know.
Huh? I know. Death. Death really dealt me a very severe blow. May her beautiful soul continue to rest in peace. Amen. Margaret. Hey!
Uncle, it's okay. Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, Deba.
It's okay.
Yeah, Deba. Well, you have to give me a call when you are done. Yeah? Just give me a call. Let me know that you are done with that. Yeah? We'll continue to talk every step of the way. You understand? Until such a time, they will, let me tell you something, and I see it happening. Eventually, they will be begging to attend the burial. They will beg to attend the burial. Yeah? Just go and do exactly what I told you. Give me a call when you are done. Yeah?
Okay. Uncle, no problem. I have to go now.
All right.
Okay. Every minute of the day, I'll be calling to tell you how it's going.
Beautiful.
Okay?
Beautiful.
So no shaking.
Oh, wow.
I deal with you.
Yeah.
100. 100.
Okay.
100.
In our
100.
In our understand.
I'll call you.
No. Ano eba. Yes. Yes.
I just got an information that AGK is taking her mother's corpse to a different mortuary. Listen, I just have to stop him. I am stopping him.
I suspected this. How dare him? So this boy has no fear over us anymore?
I have to stop him.
I'm going with you.
Also! Get the gate!
Good one. Nice one, yeah? Do not tell anybody what we discussed. If they come asking, tell them what we discussed. No one will query you. They will come for me and I will handle them the way I please.
Okay, sir.
Alright?
Okay, sir.
Ashikwano mmadụ shako.
Okay, sir.
Ashikwano na mshego.
Okay, sir.
Marujaka. Kanichme.
Mr. Man, what nonsense are you talking about? That someone came here and took my mother's corpse away without my approval and you let that? Iboyala!
Do you know you can be arrested and prosecuted for doing this rubbish?
I thought you were a family and together in this.
Family kill you there. Family bagoku there.
He came with some elders and I couldn't say no to him.
You couldn't say no and you couldn't call us. Swear you don't know what is going on. Swear!
What are you talking about? Didn't you know I am the first son? Do you not know I am the only one that have the right to make such demand. You hear talking rubbish. Okay. Tell me, which mortuary did he take her to?
I wouldn't know.
You're wasting time here. Let's go after that boy. Please.
I'll be back for you.
Ichaka! Ichaka!
Why are you disturbing the peace of this neighborhood?
Are you out of your mind? Are you mad? Where is Ichaka?
She's not home.
Wait!
It is not. What is the matter with you? Come out. You have not said why you're here. Leave my love. Come on, go down. Don't try me this house. Leave my way. Don't try me. Leave my way.
Your brother had the guts. He had the guts to take my mother away from the mortuary. Listen, he has honor before evening to return my mother's corpse. Else, he will not like the beast he will see in me. Just give him my message.
Sonia, you don't need to worry yourself. They should come for me. I am prepared.
Ejike, but why? Eh? Why would you move our mother's corpse without informing me? You did not even bother to seek for my opinion.
Look, it just happened, and I know what I'm doing.
You know what you're doing? They are going around looking for you. They just left here. And I'm sure they are going to meet Auntie Tina and Uncle Chebe. Ejike, you really need to be careful. I'm serious.
Shakwa ado hair. Okay, no kanji boroge. Shakwa ado hair. Don't worry yourself. I am coming. Don't worry. No way you gonna me.
Baby, please, you have to be safe out there. You have to be safe, please.
Babe, I'm fine. Look, Sonia, if these people want us to play this game, we will know who is bad. We will definitely know who is bad in this game.
Ejike.
See, Sonia, I need to concentrate, okay? Let me concentrate. I don't know why you are worried. I'll talk to you later. In fact, I will see you soon. Hashem gay. Pa! Shakwa do hair. O shika ekuwasha. Aya kuwasha. O shikwa na odo. Ojile yefwe. I'm not in for any nonsense. Pa! Come on. Fear witch people. Am I mad? Be careful of who. I am not scared of anybody. My friend, get off the way.
I don't know. I'm worried sick. I don't know what to do right now.
Just calm down. He knows what he's doing. Calm down. Please. Calm down.
Sick.
Just calm down. He knows what he's doing. Calm down.
You think so?
Yes. He's my man.
What kind of problem is this? Why would Ejike do such a thing?
My children, like I've always told you people, please do calm down. Understand me? We'll call Ejike on phone and discuss this matter with him.
Auntie Tina.
Yes.
Uncle Chebe. You both know what I am capable of.
I know.
Talk to that stupid boy, Ejike, not to dare us. That boy have insulted us, Auntie. I know why I'm saying this. Because when we will start, nobody should beg on his behalf. I won't like it.
Calm down.
Ogo, listen. I know all of you love Ejike. You love Ejike very well.
Just the way we...
But I want you to tell Ejike to return my mother's corpse to the mortuary. He You should return my mother's corpse to the mortuary all up before the end of today. Else, I will forget the fact that we came from the same womb and mess him up big time. I will raise Ejike up! I swear to God! I swear to God.
These children want to kill me. These children want to kill me. These children want to kill me. Children want to kill me.
Ejike, how could you have made such a mistake? How? I told you this thing has to be between you and I. No one else should hear about it. How come they got they heard about it almost immediately? They got the information, they got to know about it. Just like that. How?
Uncle, I'm as confused as you are because I never discussed it with anybody.
Hey. Wait. What about those mortuary people? No? Hey! It must have been them. It must have been them. Those people must have snitched on you.
Snitch on me? But I sorted everybody out. They have no right to snitch on me. Oh shit. If I see that guy, if I catch that guy, I will kill him, I swear. How would they snitch on me?
There's no need to kill someone else. There's no need to kill anybody here. There's no need to kill because of this. I'm going to think about this deeply. I have to find a way to solve this problem.
Uncle, I'm not afraid of these people. Yes, I'm not afraid. It's my mother we are talking about.
I know.
I'm not scared of them.
I know. It's not a matter of being scared of anybody. Yeah? You know, I want us to re-strategize. You understand? This, you see, in a war situation, this element of surprise is always a very, very effective weapon. Yeah? You use the surprise element, bam! Before your enemy wakes up, it has happened. That's the way it is done. Yeah?
Anyways, you know better.
Yes, so let us strategize, and I will think about it very deeply, then I will give you a call. Yeah?
Bro, I'm not scared.
Don't worry, it's not about
I'm not scared of anybody.
It's not about being scared. It's not about being scared. After all, who are they? There are nobody's. Don't worry, we'll handle it. I'll give you a shout.
Alright. I should take my leave.
Okay, there. Okay. I'll give you a call.
I want to know what is giving you for that. Thunder! Okay. Okay? Fuck! This boy just destroyed my car. He destroyed my car! Okay! Destroy the car, I will destroy you. I will destroy you, just destroy. Oh my God, come.
He did that! He destroyed his car!
I didn't know you. They're not picking.
None of them is speaking. I need to go to Ejike's house to know if he is back. This whole thing is getting out of hand. And with the way these children are going, I pray we don't have another dead body while we are yet to bury our dead.
God forbid. God forbid. Ah! Why are you taking in that direction? Please. Look, go to Ejike's house first. We must resolve this matter. Do you understand me? While I keep trying Obinna.
Okay. Let me quickly go to... Ejike, what has gotten into you? Does your mother deserve this senseless act of yours? Why can't any of you listen to us?
I did what I feel is the best for me in this situation.
Best for you?
Yes.
Carrying my sister's corpse up and down?
Auntie, if my boyfriend says it's best for him, let's support him, please.
That's all. Your support, that's all I need.
Who is this one? Who invited you in this family meeting? Get inside, Madam, or better still, get lost!
Madam, please. Please, I was...
Oh, don't you dare! Don't you dare speak to my auntie in such tone. Who the heck are you? We can speak to her if we didn't fit. Not you! Don't try it!
Sonia, it's okay. It's okay, Sonia. Babe, go upstairs. This is family matters. I'll see you when I come. Just go upstairs.
Get out! Look at her. Others are talking about husband, you hear talking about boyfriend.
Officers, that's the criminal.
Of course, officer. Take him away. No. To where?
Mr. Ejike, you are under arrest and you are going with us to the station.
Officer, hold on. No, now you went too far. He's your
arrest
brother.
my brother.
Eh? Why would you do such a thing now? Why?
You cannot arrest him.
Take him away.
No. Officer, hold on! Chalo, now why did you do this?
It's not about police. It isn't that you don't go call police, Abi. You don't run go call police. But I go show you say, no be first person will go police the win case.
If I move.
I can't get touch guy. Okay, for okay.
You cannot arrest my brother. Obinna.
Come back here. Why now? What is going on?
Auntie, just stay out of this. Stay out of this, please. Stay out. He is going to remain there until he tells me where he kept my mother's corpse and fixed my car. That's all.
Obinna, leaving him there is still not a solution to what is going on right now. He is still your blood.
Auntie, he did not behave like blood. He did not behave like blood. What is wrong with that stupid boy? He behaved like an animal and he should be treated as one. Auntie, what about if he had injured me or my brother? What would you have said?
Obinna, Chichi, you're my neighbors. I want you to listen to me.
I am not going to listen to you. I am not listening to anybody. Stop begging for this boy. I think you all indulge this boy too much and that is why he's misbehaving. That is why he's being stupid. He's being stupid. Like I said, he will remain there. He is going to be there until I am done fixing my car. In fact, he is going to be the one to fix it. Then, after that, he will tell me where my mother's corpse is. Else, I will personally teach him a lesson he will never forget. He has balls. Let's play the game. So please, when you're done.
Obinna, you're walking out on me. Obinna!
Chichi, you are a woman. And I believe you have better than understanding than Obinna.
Auntie, what are you saying?
Talk to him.
What are you even saying? Talk to him about what? Eh? And that boy should tell us where he kept our mother's corpse and repair Obinna's car. That's all. Auntie, please, don't even start. Don't start.
Nobody wants to listen to me.
Heavy heart.
Is it that you who cannot listen to me?
Feel our minds.
Why are you doing this to your mother?
Let it happen to us. Yeah. We turn our back against each other. We act like we don't need each other. But it's a lie, cause we can't stand alone. The bond we have is of important. The love we share is all we need. Misunderstanding is tearing us apart.
My brother must not sleep in the station. I don't even know why they're not letting me see him.
The problem I'm having now is that I'm calling my cousin that works with the IG. He's not taking his calls. And I don't know why. Maybe I should go and see his wife.
Esther, I need to go back to that station. Honestly, I need to go back there. I want to talk to my brother. I want to see him. Listen, I know what he did was out of it, but I want to talk to him. No. I am going back to that station and I will definitely see him. I have to go there.
I think I should go and see my cousin's wife. Maybe she can help.
You think she'll help?
Yes. Let me go and see her. Okay?
Okay.
Just stay. Let me go and see her. I'm coming.
This is not how it's supposed to be.
They have refused to listen to anyone. What kind of a thing is this?
Ichaka went too far. He went too far. Look, I don't know how he came about this. Even went further to go fighting.
You know, these children, let us be factual about this. Yeah? You see, these young ones, they don't always listen to advice. They don't. You talk and talk and talk, and it will appear as if you are not talking at all. Yeah? So it behoves us as their elders to find suitable solution to all these problems. I'm going from there. Look, what I see ahead after this time out, it is worth the war. It might be worth it because here's my role. And when it does, you know what happens when 12 elephants fight?
Hey, from what is happening right now, it's like my dream is becoming a reality. Oh God.
Tina, dream. Joseph, I forgot Joseph. Let us face reality and solve our problems
the way they come. Why do you like attacking me?
I'm not attacking you.
Why do you like attacking me all the time?
Stop dreaming. Stop dreaming.
Stop.
Dream every time. Dream.
What's wrong with you? We should find a solution to this problem. Find means to stop these children from killing each other. And you play here, bantering words like market women.
That is not the issue. We are talking about reality. She's talking about dream. Do dreams solve problems?
Dreams
don't solve problems.
What if the dream becomes true?
How can dreams don't solve problems? You solve problems by attacking the reality frontally.
Chichi! Obinna! Come outside! How dare you arrest my brother? You want to arrest people? Come and arrest me too! Why don't you arrest me as well? I know you can hear me. Come downstairs! Chichi! Heartless people! Wicked souls! Come out!
Nobody should beg me. I don't want this. Honestly. Don't beg me.
I know you can hear me. Come downstairs!
Have you seen it? His sister is here to cause the children nuisance. Just hold on. I'll call you back. I think she needs to join her brother in the police cell.
You don't need to bother your head. She is outside for a reason.
So that she'll be coming here every day to disturb our peace? Is that what you want?
Do not worry yourself. Sit down. Na karankupu. We can handle her. Excuse me.
Hey,
So you now open this gate for every animal that passes by.
I'm sorry, ma.
Does this place look like a zoo to you? You two will pay for this. Release my brother, else if anything happens to him, you will take responsibility of it. Release my brother for me.
Sorry, it no go happen again, sorry.
Next time this you won't like what you now take him out.
You two will regret this. You will surely pay for this.
Come out, are you stupid?
Don't you dare! Don't you? If you touch me, idiots, useless people, wicked souls, wicked people. I will come back for you. Rubbish.
Go now.
Hey, hey!
Sir.
I said, the next time you open this gate for some fools, for animals, I'll kill you and bury you here.
Good, sir.
Nah!
Heavy hearts pull us down. Wicked thoughts fill our minds. How did we let it happen to us?
Uncle, thank you very much for the information. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome anytime. Just trust me.
Okay, here is 50,000 naira. I'll send more later, okay? As long as you continue keep it up this way, you will not regret anything.
Is it?
Believe me, yes.
Trust me. Yeah? Trust me anytime, any day. Morning, afternoon, and night. Anytime, just trust me. Yeah? Listen, I only want the right thing to be done. That is why I'm here for you anytime. You understand? You see, I like the way you return him there. Let him stay there until he speaks the truth. What's wrong with those children?
Yes. Oh. My yes is my yes and my no is my no.
Of course.
Whatever I say stands. That is me. I am going to teach him a little lesson of his life.
Okay.
He is going to remain there. Imagine Ejike of yesterday challenging me. A little boy I taught everything.
Because of your mother.
Because of my mother. I did everything because of my mother. Now he's challenging me. He has grown wings. I want to see his contact. I want to see his contact. Let him call those people he knows.
Where are they?
Let him call them. I don't even know how this whole thing happened. As far as I'm concerned, he's a bastard. That boy is a... No, uncle, don't tell me that. I can't even tell the story. How am I sure that his father paid my mother's dowry? How am I sure it was paid? No, I really do not want us to go there, okay? I just want you to understand how pained I am. Okay. I am really pained.
I understand you. I understand
that a boy of yesterday is challenging me. It's fine. Thank you very much.
It's okay, man. It's okay. Just don't worry. Eh? Just let the right thing be done. Eh? As far as I'm concerned, you would always get the right information from me. Okay? So you would always be one step ahead.
It's fine. I trust you.
I trust you.
Hey. I trust you.
Let me run along.
It's fine.
I don't like walking about in the night. So especially with this kind of thing. I'll see you. So my son, you will do well. I'll see you.
I want to see how he lives there without my approval. I have the final say.
Auntie, are you sure about this? Auntie, this is not a joking matter. You mean he told Sonia and Sonia told you about it? Okay, no problem. We need the address because we need to confirm before we can do anything. All right, Auntie, I'm waiting. He finally told Sonia where he kept our mom's corpse. Auntie is calling to plead that we should call for his release.
We have to confirm Mother is there before taking any decision.
And he will have to sign an undertaking before anything. And will also report at the station at Wendu. Stupid boy. The address is here.
Alright. In that case, I have to change and get the key.
Please, me to go immediately.
Sonia, why would you behave like this? I trusted you. I told you that you should not tell anybody, but you went and told Auntie. Now they have taken our mother to where I don't know. You just sabotaged all my efforts.
Would you have preferred to stay back there? I am asking you, would you have loved to stay in the police cell? That was the easiest way to get you out of there.
Ejike, she did the right thing. Honestly, I don't like the angle this whole thing is going. I don't like it.
That I want to bury my mother in peace. Is that too much to ask for?
But I really wish I did not say anything to these people. Because I was already in good terms with the IG to release Ejike. Huh?
Will you keep quiet? Stop there! We've gone past this.
Auntie, please.
We've gone past this whole thing.
Auntie, please. You are talking to my girlfriend.
Oh, please.
This is not the right time for all of this. We should put our heads together and find a way to resolve this. I want my mother to be buried in my own father's land, not elsewhere. What we should do is in peace now.
In peace. In peace, you said. Anyways, this thing just started. All just to Bido. Obido gokwe. Obido gokwe. Let me go and shower first. I will come back to this. Let me go and shower.
Baby, let's go and shower, please.
I told you something with confidence. That you should not tell anybody. And you went go. Like parrot.
Am I an outsider? Let's go and shower. Use hypo.
And Cecilia, you have seen it now. Baby, let's go and shower. Me, I don't have a baby. What to do now? The Inspector General.
Wait. What is that? What are you? What are you? Sorry. Hey, the gate! Informer! Hey!
If I see your head up, if I see
Informer!
move from here, you are dead. If you move from here, you are dead.
Uncle. I have done what you suggested. And I'm glad I have my mother's corpse. Now, I want you to do one thing for me.
Which is?
Tell AGK to stay away from us. Tell AGK to stay clear. Because if he tries me again, I will jail him. He will remain there until I am done with this burial. I may even forget him there. I will not hear any plea.
Uncle, my brother just said it all. Talk to him. What he said here stands. We here beg you. Auntie, and I know you know how to beg. Nobody should come to beg us this time, please.
Please. Look, everything will be all right. I've heard all that you said. Huh? We will see Ejike and his sister. Please, calm down.
I just wish my sister didn't die. Just look at how her body is being carried up and down like a piece of bread.
Okay, I no go hear a beg. I no go hear a beg.
So it's all right, Obin.
I will not listen to any plea at all. I no go hear a beg. Talk to AGK. Talk to AGK. Ha!
It's your time this boy gets another job for himself. He's tired of this job, I think so. He's nowhere to be found.
He's not here?
Are you seeing him here? Even as I open this gate, wherever he is supposed to come out.
What's up? Go there, both of you! I said, go down! Ejike, what is the meaning of this? Will you put that gun away? Put that gun away! You think I'm joking, right? You think I'm joking? Ejike, go down! Listen.
Ejike, put that thing down.
Put the gun.
Put it down!
What's the meaning of this? What do you want to do? Do you want to shoot us? Wait, eh? You think I'm still joking with you, right? You think I'm joking with you?
Okay, just stop! Stop!
Hey! Shut the fuck up! I don't talk when I... Again! What have you done? What? Just what?
No.
What? Will you stop this madness? Stop this! Answer me! Where did you keep my mother's corpse? Okay, I'll tell you, Saint Barnabas. Ask Uncle Ojebe. He knows everything. Why are you doing this? Why he knows everything. Listen, Saint Barnabas, just listen. Put the gun away. Just Saint Barnabas. Remove it from my face. Obinna. Mawake. Ejike, you are my brother. You are my brother. Ah, you are not my brother. You are my blood. You are not my brother. You are not. Ah!
My hair? Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
Babe. Babe, did you see my car key? I've searched for it in my room. I didn't see it, even in my wardrobe where I normally keep it.
No, I didn't say it. Have you asked Sonia?
Sonia hardly. I doubt she will. Okay, let me go and ask her. Where is she?
She should be in her room.
Alright.
Hi guys.
Listen, you need to cut down on these Snapchat and TikTok videos. Do something more profitable with your time. Every time tap what?
Sorry guys. Sorry about that. Good to have you all. Oh, babe, look at you. Good to have you here.
Did you see my car key?
Yes, it's in my custody.
In your custody? And why would my car key be in your custody? Please, hand it over to me. I'm going to see that idiot and his sister. They need to know that they are toothless bulldog. I'm not scared of them. Just give me my car key.
Exactly why I took the key. I knew you were going to fight back without thinking twice. Without a proper strategy. Listen, we are supposed to strategize. So that you will not end up shooting yourself in the leg.
My mother is not going to be buried in Udi. It's not going to be possible. If they like, let them recruit all the policemen. Give me my car key.
Ejike, can you calm down and listen? This time around, it's not by gra-gra. You have to calm down. Let's plan well. Because I would not let them arrest you the second time. No.
I'm not scared of their arrest. I beg, I don't get all this time. Give me my car key. I need to find out where they are keeping our mother.
Ejike, I will not give it to you. I'm sorry. I won't give it to you.
Are you kidding?
Yes, I'm not kidding.
My own car key.
Ejike, if you want to be arrested, report yourself in the police custody. Tell them to put you behind bars. But as for me, I will not give you the keys.
And who told you that I'm scared of getting arrested? Sonia, I beg, give me my car key. I know get all this time.
I said I'm not going to give you the key now.
Why not give me my own car key now?
I won't give you the key. Relax, let's plan well. Hi. Relax. It's not by shouting.
You just adore me. I swear you are dulling me. Give me my car key now.
Ejike, stop shouting. Let's plan well.
Plan what? What else are we going to plan? Let me go and look for where they are keeping our mother. It's very simple.
I will not give you the key now. I won't give it to you. Relax when you're shouting. Relax. I won't give you the key. Relax, let's talk things out.
The dream was so real. I felt I had lost you. I thought I was dead too. That boy, Ejike.
That should tell us that he is not giving up anytime soon. Yes. Maybe he is already planning for this. And we need to be ready for him.
If not for our mother, I would have wasted that boy a long time ago. I would have.
We can't waste our own blood. No, we can't waste him. He is our blood. Instead, he should be taught a bitter lesson. Instead, he should be kept in a place where he will remain until all of this is over.
I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to keep quiet like nothing is happening until he gives me a perfect reason to do that.
Ejike.
With what has happened so far, I think it is only pertinent we bring them together for a meeting. At least there's no how one of them will not listen to us. So that this problem will solve once and for all.
Well, but what if they don't listen? Because I don't see any of them being understanding or reasonable.
Brother Jebe, there is no harm in trial. Let's give it a trial first. We cannot continue to talk without making an attempt. Maybe one of them will be touched.
Okay.
No need to be pessimistic.
Say so? Oh, no problem. By me. I'm ready for anything.
I will then send message across to them. I will send message across to them immediately.
Okay.
So this is it. Uncle, what do you suggest?
You're asking this question. No, you're asking me. Wait. Ordinarily, you would accept that your mother be buried in Ude instead of Nkano. Ha! You do it and you're no longer a man, I tell you. Don't accept that kind of nonsense. Listen, I always tell you this. I hate nonsense. Nonsense. I hate it. And I don't ever accept it. Yeah? That's why I'm telling you this. Don't accept. They are ganging up now to pressure you, but don't accept. You're a man. Stand your ground. And I, Ojebe, I will give you my backing all the way. You have my backing. Don't accept. What is this?
Even Auntie Tina knows about this.
Who is Tina? Tina. She's just a woman. An ordinary woman. Yeah? She has no say at all in this. You understand? This is a matter for the elders. Achebe and the rest of them. They are the ones to decide. And I tell you, they have ganged up to pressure you. Now they want to support Obinna. That's why I'm here for you. They want to support Obinna. That you will accept and they say, hey, let it go. No. I tell you, don't accept.
No
Nonsense.
problem. I know what to do. Ejike knows what to do.
The Ejike I know. They don't know.
Thank you very much for the information.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, my dear.
But I know what to do.
Always count on me.
Bam.
I know
what to do. Do you need more drink?
I don't know. You know, I
to drink more.
No. You know, I'm not too much into these alcoholic things. You know, native kai, Oyibo kai. I don't take much of this. You understand? My only problem is my wife's health. You know, it has taken almost everything I said for over this. Yeah, in fact, right now I don't know what to do.
Uncle Ojebe, relax, sir. I'm an able guy. My friend July Kage, able guy, he be Izbo guy. Now, able Izbo guy, man.
I never realized that.
So, I will give you everything you want. If you need money, just come and ask me for money. After all, the information you are giving me is not easy. Yes. I will give you anything you want. Just come to me.
Count on me any day. Count on me. I will always make you to be one step ahead of them.
But Mom Margaret, my mother, nobody will bury her in Udi. Oh, I gave you Mamu Udi. Nankano ka gave you Mamam.
I would have said.
Where she no odo, you share there.
Okay.
If you say no, your head go enter.
Are you no longer the Ejike, you know? Dike na ogu n'anya. Your Ejike?
Mamam.
Don't accept.
Monkey, my own mother.
Don't.
No, now.
You mean the elders are planning to support Ejike to bury my mother?
Right. Have I ever given you any false information? No, have I? Listen, this is very important and you have to do the needful before it is too late.
Auntie Tina knows and knew about this and she couldn't talk to me. She couldn't call me. Even if to tell me, to beg me to leave that boy, that stupid boy. She will call me, right?
Your Auntie Tina is just a woman, a mere woman. She has no say in this whatsoever, no say. This is a matter for the elders.
She should have said something. She should have just told me. She should have called me. That is my concern. Why all this? Why all this pretense? What stopped her from calling my phone?
No problems.
Obinna. Obinna! That is to tell you who is there for you. Eh? I like you, I love you, you are my brother, you are my sister, you are my... Hey, you are all in all that. What is your attitude towards me? That is what I look out for. Who is there for you?
Don't worry, I know what to do, Uncle.
Better know what to do. No, better know what to do. Well, that one is Obinna. Please, you see, I don't want it to look as if I am bothering you too much. You know how it is. But my wife, her condition gives, I don't understand.
Uncle, I've told you. I've always told you. If you need anything, call me. Tell me and I will do it for you. Money is not a problem. Right? Fine. I'm going to send 200,000 naira for you now.
Hey,
yes.
200,000. Hi, thank you very much, my dear. Listen. I don't like this. I don't like this. Eh? Why are you doing this to me? What? Look, I am your brother. Therefore, those children are also my own children. Yes, because I'm your brother. Why do you always do this to me? Eh? What is it?
Yes, it is, my brother. But that is not why you should use the advantage to be siphoning money from them at all time. Yet, you are not making the use of the money in a proper way. Rather, you go outside there, carry small children around you. Let me tell you something. Do you know that your wife comes to me complaining about your reckless lifestyle? Do you know that?
Margaret, now, who do you want to believe? Who do you want to listen to now? No, myself or my wife, who do you believe?
My brother, you are asking me who to believe. Where is the lie? Tell me, is it not obvious that last year, Christmas, Obinna gave you 2 million? Tell me, how do you spend the money? Ejike added additional 3 million. You squandered everything. But still yet, they are still giving you money. I have told them to allow you to be, so that you can change for better. Please, stop asking them for money. They are not your banks, where you will go and be withdrawing money anyhow. Please.
Listen, Margaret, let me just say this. I've been trying my hands in so many businesses. You understand me? You know, different types of businesses. You know the situation of the country. Yeah, everything is hard and difficult. Things keep getting from bad to worse, from worse to worst. Yeah? But I assure you, I will bounce back. I'll bounce back. You understand me? But Margaret, I want you to cast your mind back. Remember how I assisted you in those days when you had issues and crises with your first husband? Yeah, before you traveled overseas and remarried. Now let me ask you, is this how you want to repay me? No, is this how you intend to repay me? Mowo Jebe? Hey!
Tell me, what did you do?
Also?
That is why you have been calling my father, telling him to ask for the bride price. But my husband has been there sending you money. I know that is how you are, Ojebe. What you want is money, money, money. Please, stop calling those children, asking them for money again. Please. Enane? Yes.
Is that so? Okay. We shall see. No, we shall see.
Yeah. See.
We shall see. I have. Margaret, I have no cause to pity you. I don't. You did nothing for me when you were alive. Absolutely nothing. Even though I'm your brother, you refused to do something useful for me. Instead, you insulted me so many times. Well, this is an opportunity for me to cash out And I will cash out and cash out and cash out. I will do that very, very well. Even if you stay in that mortuary for 5 years, 5 good years, it's not my business. As long as I make money out of it. It is my time to shine.
Uncle, what's going on here? I thought you informed that boy about this meeting. And why is he not here yet? Am I supposed to be the one waiting for him?
Obina, calm down. Maybe traffic or something. Let me quickly call Sonia and know why they are not here yet.
What about Uncle Jebe? Why is he not here?
Ojiwe said he got an emergency call from the hospital concerning his wife's health condition. And he rushed there this morning.
Enough of this insult, Uncle. Enough! If Ejike doesn't arrive here in 10 minutes, I will leave. I'll leave!
Obina.
Enough!
Obina.
Enough of this insult!
Obina, please. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down!
They will come. The number is not connecting.
Can you imagine? They kept us all here waiting for them. As who? No, as who?
It's alright. It's alright.
10 minutes.
Yes.
Like my brother just said.
Yes, 10 minutes. Just, please, exert a little patience. Everything will be alright. Huh? Blues don't settle cases.
Ejike, what is keeping you now? Eh? We are running late already. And the thing already gave me 15 minutes calls. I don't even know what to tell her again. Ejike!
They should wait that. That's what they call superiority. You don't know? They should wait. They have to wait.
Can we go now? Mr. and Mrs. Can we go?
Wait, I hope I look my part.
Auntie, it is just a family meeting. It's not your wedding. Ejike is not going to pay your bride price.
My woman is looking very beautiful.
Tell her.
I say Ejike. Omotosho. Mbatemo. Bebemo.
Oh my God.
You're looking so... Come on, I know you will stand out.
Let's go, baby.
Don't rush yourself. It's a gradual process.
You know. Let's go. Thank you, darling.
I cannot take this insult! Enough of this insult!
Calm down.
Why am I here?
I told you calm down.
Why am I here?
Calm down. Calm down.
It's over 30 minutes and this boy is not here. You're telling me to calm down. Calm down for who? For that boy?
What happened to your phone? Ejike, Sonia. I was calling and it was not connecting.
Wait. I saw this little boy walked in here, sat down without apologizing for keeping everyone waiting, and you want to swallow it. You don't want to do anything about it?
Obina.
You don't want to say anything about it?
Obina. You don't put pepper in the medicine you prepare for someone with eye problem. What we need now is solution to the issue on ground, not apology.
Uncle, please. I need you to tell this thing beside me. that I don't know where she is formed from. To leave this place right now. This is a family meeting.
Two of you are mad. Two of you are crazy. You are very stupid. My girlfriend live where? She goes nowhere. Yes. See, I only came here for you to tell me where you kept my mother. Else, you are here looking for apology. All of you are mad, in fact.
Yeah, my dear.
I'm only here for you to tell me where you kept my mother.
I don't know what you're doing here.
Tell me where you kept my mother.
Wait. So you have not learnt your lessons, right?
What lesson?
You have not learnt your lessons.
What lesson?
If you try me, I will keep you in dungeon and bury my mother.
This is a family meeting.
I will keep you in dungeon and bury my mother. I am not joking with you.
I said you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything.
And you, please.
Eti can one noise maker. You are a noise maker. You are a noise maker. You are a noise maker. You cannot do anything. You stand before me. You call me noise maker. I am telling you that you cannot do anything. Wait. Kill me.
What do you want me to do?
Kill me. You cannot do anything. Eti called me a noise maker. You are a new couple. Eti do one. You are a new couple.
That boy needs to be picked. I'm a fool here. I'm a fool. That boy. Give me a... Hey! Can you imagine the insult? You see, this time around, I will take him up and he will remain there until Amana's funeral is over.
No. Leave this to me, Chichi. Yes. They would obviously know he's on the police cell and want him out. I am going to show him that I am long in the teeth in this business. I'll do this my way. I'll run this the straight way. I'll tell him he's a little boy. Hey, GK. Listen. The gentle movement of a tiger does not mean that a tiger is timid. Humanity is not cowardness. I've kept quiet enough. I have taken enough. He wants to take me back to a lifestyle I had forgotten after school. And I'm going to reactivate it. By the time I do, I'll teach him a lesson he will never forget in a hurry. Go and sleep. I will handle this my way.
Obina, I don't care how you handle this one. I don't care how you want to handle that boy, street or however. But you see that boy, I want him out of my way. What nonsense!
Relax.
Did you see the insult?
Gigi,
I
know. I'll take care of this. Believe me. I'll handle it.
Okay. You better handle it. You better handle it, or I will handle it my own way.
Sonia, leave my
What
way.
are you doing with it? Go on. Hey.
Sonia, leave my way. Leave my way first. I am going to end this nonsense today. Hey! You see, today, I am going to end it all. And damn the consequences. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. I can't the boy opener. But I'm going to end it today.
Ichika, do you want to go back to the police cell?
I don't care.
That's why they did what they did, so that they will trigger you to do this. Sonia is right, though. Ichika, stop now. Please. Stop. Eh? You get arrested if they see you with an unlicensed gun.
I've made up my mind. I've made up my mind and I don't care about anything. What I know is that I will kill them, then go to jail. You bury our mother in Nkano, not Udineke. Then watch them do this nonsense. No. No.
I beg you in the name of God.
I have made up my mind. I am going to end this madness today.
heavy hearts pull us down. Wicked thoughts fill our minds. How did we let it happen to us? Yeah. We turn our back against each other. We act like we don't need each other. But it's a lie, cause we can't stand alone. The bond we have is half important. The love we share is all we need. Misunderstanding is tearing us apart. We need to find our way. We need to find our way. There is no gain in this fight at all. When we fight, what are we fighting for? When we should be together. You need me, I need you. Why do we fight? What are we fighting for? When peace is all we need. Let's end this war now. Always watching our backs, always pointing fingers. What do we gain when we fight? Nothing, nothing. Our love is far away, and peace is like a stranger. This is not how it's supposed to be. Yeah. The bond we share is very important.
With you, the top, sir. Why did you like this now? I just want to make you run this matter now. It's you don't see the be. Just make way, run this matter.
Why? You know I see the be. You see that game? You know it's difficult now. You know.
Waiting difficult for this thing now. Waiting difficult for this thing. Me self go feel rugged than myself. I go feel handle this matter like this on a norms. Single-handedly, personally, I could just handle them. But I know why I didn't involve you. May not be like say I don't fall back to that man where I used to be back in school days now.
But you know, so you know. But make her play, make her clear you. See that your brother? No be Jew guy.
Ta! See, that boy na Jew.
Oh, bye.
See, man, I tell you something. You see that boy? Now boy where I don't groom from when he's small. That boy na Jew, but that boy na fine Jew.
Oh bye. See that boy? Na buffalo like you.
Waiting. Buffalo under waiting now. Under buffalo under.
Ududuwa. You know now. Normally, you see this kind of matter, when I go settle down. Make you know involve also. But normal, as the blood now, we go put body now.
Wait. You mean say Ejike na? Guy, forget am. Now me they tell you, even at that, any buffalo way do anyhow, you go see collect. Go see that boy don't look. He look me for hair like this. They follow me talk anyhow.
Na blood.
No be blood.
No be only your blood.
Make I play one.
See family.
Guy, I don't suffer for this matter. I don't suffer for this game as they be. I don't suffer for the game now. If I dey talk like this, me a senior man, you go dey coordinate. Well.
What you suppose reason with am? Na normal. You know as they be now. You won't begin this guard.
So this boy na buffalo self, you don't even tell me happy. Small boy, why don't?
Killer, you mean Obinna is a buffalo?
SS Rogedo. Obaino. 0.2 that year. You know now. You know go feel him on the blood. Full-time blood. You know.
Killer, what is your advice? What do you suggest I should do? You need to get off the way so I can bury my mother.
Eja. Na family doing so. You know the rules now. No be that way, but you know. Na blood now. When I go sort am out now.
Okay. Na him make and they do, they jump. Oya mere oje me to gaga.
SS.
Miss but on one na kilo on one go di. No way ife na-eme. Shakwa eme ho. Osokwa ya buru buffalo. Shakwa eme ho. Shakwa ishudu na eme ho.
Ah! Amuneke! You know, that is why I call you Amuneke. Hey! Amuneke, how we are now? What is happening? Nah, leave that matter. Wait now, we don't done. Settle for what? No. Why should I allow them to settle? Listen. Hold on, let me tell you. If you know how much I have made from this their crisis, this their fracas, if you know how much I have made from it, you won't believe it. If I tell you, you will never believe it. Yes. What are you talking about? Yeah? I've made so much money. So much money. Yeah? And what do? No. Listen. I pitch one against the other. You understand? I advise this one wrongly against this one. Then I advise this one wrongly against this one. And then both of them come together and fight. Yeah? And between the fights, I make my money. I cash out. Which mother are you talking about? Their mother never did anything for me when she was alive. So why should I pity her? No, why should I pity her? Yes, she's in the mortuary. In fact, let me tell you, even if she spends another 10 years in the mortuary, I don't care. I can't. Why should I care? As long as I make money from... Listen, as long as I make money from the children, that's all I know. And that's all I care about. Don't you know? I'm cashing out, seriously. Listen, Amuneke. My name now is Orina Crisis. Orina Crisis. After all, don't you know that? Yes, I'm Orina Crisis now. I'm making money, seriously. So that is what matters most to me. Okay, now my brother, don't worry. When I come to Oji River, I will visit you. I will invite you over. In fact, I have more than enough money to spend now. It's a very, very lucrative business. And let me tell you something, even my wife is there. She's still upset. But in fact, her predicament has been a very wonderful tool of extortion in my hands. I use it to extort money from them. When I give the plot, I give the information, I collect money, and then I tell them my wife is and then they say, uncle, and they will give me the money, I'll go away. Listen, Amuneke, listen to me. Take it easy on those small girls. I know you now. Amuneke. No. I have only 2 now, just 2. And I'm okay with them. Don't worry, I will call you when I come to Oji River. In fact, maybe after next week, I'll be there. So I will carry worry. And you bring them over. Amuneke! I will see you, I will see you. My guy.
Brother Jimmy.
Titi! Tina, how are you? How are you doing? Have you heard from those children?
So it's been you all along. So you have been the one instigating fight between my sister's children. Brother Jebe, what did my sister do to you? Why are you this mean and cruel? I thought you are our favorite cousin brother. So this is who you are.
Where's all this accusation coming from? No, why are you so? Why are you accusing me this way? Am I not being the one always trying to make peace between the 2 parties? No, you know everything I was doing. Trying to bring them together to achieve the peace. Who sold lie to you, for goodness sake? What's all this lie to you?
You are so mean and unrepentant.
More.
I have been listening to your conversation over the phone with your friend. So this is who you are. Wait. How come we did not see this coming? How come all these years God has not revealed you to us? But thank goodness, today I've seen the colors you wear. Let me tell you, posterity will judge you. God in heaven will judge you. Spirits will judge you. My sister's comes will judge you. You will not end well. You will not end well. So this is you. This is you. No problem.
Hold on.
Tina Chiwagono. May you die shamefully.
Look, Tina.
Don't call my name. Don't dare. Don't dare. Stupid fool. Hey! So this is who you are.
Good afternoon, Auntie. Where are my children? Where is Ejike? Ejike went out. Sonia is inside. Sonia!
So. Sonia, baby.
My children.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I hope everything is okay.
Everything is fine. Yes,
Your Auntie Tina.
Uncle, please forget Auntie Tina. We need to talk to you, and it's very, very urgent.
Is that so?
Yes, sir.
Uncle, we need to talk to you.
What is it about?
We need your advice on something before making a move.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should we talk now, or should I offer you something first?
We don't need anything. Let's go straight to the point.
Okay. Then. Let's talk.
What? My goodness.
My dear, I'm as surprised as you are. Ojobe is a very wicked man. He is not who we think he is.
Now I see why they always have a meeting point for quarrel. Obinna and Ejike. Each time he's here, he will just be acting like a good man. And we've always taken advices from him. Uncle Ejebe, I cannot believe that he would do a thing like that to us. Like, how?
Sonia, we need to speak with Obinna now.
I need to call him at once.
So we wanted to know if we should
Akane! Okay! Akane! Is that so?
What are you doing here?
Is that so?
What are you doing here? I asked.
Oh, you've come to bribe Uncle Ojebe. Uncle Ojebe Bukai now. He never accept your bribe. Uncle Ojebe, first thing first, what are these fools doing here?
Will you shut up and watch your tongue?
Watch my tongue.
Is it not a mess here?
What will happen?
Not a mess.
If I don't watch my tongue, what will happen?
Are you mad?
Like you try, are you mad? Are you mad?
Are you a mess?
What will you do? You will go ahead and call your sugar daddy policeman to get me arrested, or this big for nothing brother of yours will send his fellow cultist after me. Okay, if you leave my man. If you shut up, my friend. Are you mad?
If you don't tell this close addicted young man to leave here now.
Okay, if you leave my man. Okay, if you leave my man. They should better pray. If they know what is good for them, they should pray that nothing happens to Auntie. If not, I will kill somebody. Let them pray.
Will you just shut up and stop causing nuisance here? This is hospital. After all, you cost this.
Cost what? Cost what? Make thunder no go fire you, idiot. Make thunder no go fire you. Are you mad? Come on, shut up. Talking to my elder. My friend, shut up. What do you know? Will you shut up? I will shut up. Everybody is back. Come on. I'm talking to my sister. You boyala. It's all coming up.
Hey, please. This is the hospital. Sorry. Patient doesn't need this. Whatever you have, I think we should settle that at home. Sorry.
I don't
blame you.
I don't blame you. Okay, forget.
I don't blame
you. If you're not here now, you have gone all the way back.
Igbo is what is working in here.
You're a motherfucker.
We're not in the same field.
Please,
this is what you take. Waiting for the day you will try.
My friend, I am waiting. Just pray.
Don't worry.
Pray that nothing happens to her.
I will rush you now. I will rush you.
John.
I will rush you.
Yeah, no, about to get. Me. It's all cool. Don't know. Be there back.
Like I said, my students, you tried.
I'm not serious. Who are your
You learned very well. Babe. Oh, as you didn't know, I've been teaching them.
Nobody told me.
Auntie didn't know how to even blend pepper.
How to do what?
Boil rice. No, you don't.
Mom, say something now. Have I not been teaching you your daughters and...
When?
Good question. By devouring the food in the kitchen.
Well, you're taking sides.
Okay, please. Before we continue, can we please do something with this wine? You know, I decided that we're going to do this for... Yes, please. Can you please have your wine with you? For love. Oh, this is for Mama. So please, where's the... Give your sister wine.
This is mine.
Good. Okay. So we want to cheers for I take love.
Peace. Peace.
Unity.
Peace. Peace.
Unity.
Peace.
Prosperity can go. Yes, prosperity.
Mama, so
love.
Allah.
Togetherness.
Togetherness. Cheers.
Forever.
Cheers.
Together forever.
One family. Alive.
Yeah.
Sister Margaret, please help your mom.
Let me help you.
You know I can't do that.
This is good. That's very nice. Honestly, very nice.
Take it easy now. Foodie.
Yes. Jilia Malo.
Ojiri Manandi.
This one is good for men. Yeah. Very good for men.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm really happy. I am happy. I am happy. Too much happy for today. Now you can see how we are now. I would like let the love continue to exist among all of you. Whether I am there or not. Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Please, I need that love, that unity, togetherness to be among you. I'm so very happy for today. And And again, concerning your auntie, Tina, she's like a mother to you as well. While I was busy chasing my career, she was there for you all. She has been taking good care of you. In fact, she really sacrificed her life to ensure that you all have a good upbringing. On no account, I repeat again, on no account must you disregard or disrespect her. Whatever you know you can do for me, you can still do it for her. See her as you are seeing me. Take her as you have been taking me like your mother. She's good. She's there for you. She fought for you. She stood by your side. Am I understood?
Yes, Mom.
Come on, sis. I did nothing for you. Yes. Because if I'm in your position, you will do better. So forget it. It's not right.
Mom, you know we love Auntie Tina, same way we love you. And I know she will always be in our lives. And we'll be there for her too. It's a promise.
Thank you.
Oh, but Mom, if I may ask, why are you sounding like that? I hope you're not planning to do something. You're not dying or anytime. You're not dying anytime soon. You haven't even started life.
Not anytime soon. You're not going anywhere. Besides, Auntie Chi is here to be married. Myself too. So you have Omugo.
Omugo too.
A lot of it to go from.
You know what? You guys should just eat up your food. Just go ahead and eat your food.
Leave Mama with her Nollywood wahala. That's what's disturbing her. That's busy man. I know. Mama, please eat your food.
Auntie Tina, I love you.
I love you too.
Educate.
I pray nothing happens to Auntie Tina. I pray that Auntie Tina comes out of that coma. Because if anything happens to her, if anything happens to Auntie Tina, I will not listen to anybody. I will just go ahead and do what has been on my mind. Period.
But this is so sad. Why would they come up with such a decision all of a sudden? All this will not be happening.
Listen, I think we should just go to the hospital. Stay close to her and maybe pray for her.
I think you are right. I need to see her as well.
I don't want to set my eyes on those devils. I may just lose it. I may be tempted to shoot them. I may be tempted to put some triggers on their heads.
Should I tell him about Uncle JB? No. Not now that Auntie is in this condition. I don't even know if he'll believe me. I think we should just take it one step at a time. Let Auntie get better first. But for now, I will try and make us avoid that wicked man.
Everybody should just pray that nothing happens to Auntie Tina. Everybody should just pray.
Uncle Ojebe is dead. I just received a phone call now that Uncle Ojebe is dead. He died yesterday. Amen here! Hey! Hey! Such a good man. A good man is dead. Iwu atami igunvu nishi. Iwu atagomi igunvu nishi. I'm bad, so I'm paying me. Hi.
What? Said what? Huh?
Jesus! What? How did it happen? Accident? Oh my goodness! God! Jeez!
What is it?
Oh, okay, listen. I'm gonna call you back. Alright, I'll call you back.
What is it? What happened?
Uncle Ojebe.
What happened to him?
He's dead.
What?
He had an accident and died.
Jesus!
God.
Shit. Just...
How? Oh my goodness! How could this be happening to us? Everything is same time. God! What is this? What is this? Just like that? Oh goodness, God, no, not now. Oh God, no.
Sonia, I can understand what is going on. But believe me, these two shall pass. Trust me.
Listen, but I want to ask for a favor. I mean, I don't know why all of these things are happening. But please, can we allow...
I can't wait. Sonia, wait. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Allow whose mom buried where? Eh? Sonia, come on now. Come on, check this thing. Our mother got married to their father, got divorced, then married our own father. How can you say we should bury her somewhere that she left already long time ago? All because of some people's ego? But now,
Ejike, I know, but...
Sonia, there is no but. Yes. You see this matter? There is no but. And as for Titina, she will get well again. And my mother, our mother, will be buried where she deserves to be buried. I don't want this thing to bring problem for us. Some ye mama be. Nge yi mam nankano. Nankano ba kan ge yi mam. Oya shikwa na odo. Okwa enete na eka. Eke ga tagbukwa madu.
You can't hold me down. I don't even know what else to say.
Obina, what is wrong with you? What is wrong? Why are you being this soft? Not be you again.
You don't understand, sis. Listen, I really don't want anything to happen to Auntie Tina. Regardless of all. She's a mother, we'll say right now. She's a mother. And I remember vividly what mother said before she died. So she has to be taken care of. She has to be safe.
Nothing will happen to her. Nothing will happen to her. I assure you that. She is safe and she will be safe. But please, you don't need to lose your strength for those kids. See, I know this story more than any one of you. Our mother must be buried in Udi. And that is period. And please, I want to beg you for one thing. I do not want anything to deter or thwart these plans and actions that you already have. Please, I beg you. I think you need some alcohol. Let me get you one.
That's exactly the kind of person he is. And he has refused to change. I was already on my way to tell you of this whole thing before this incident.
Hi.
That was after I had told Sonia.
Yes. Ejike, I was going to tell you, but I didn't know how to, and I wasn't sure if you were going to believe me. So I needed some time for Auntie to recover.
Now I know how I got to know all Ejike's plans. And he knew about mine. He was constantly sending me messages.
Same here. Same here. He was constantly telling me stuffs. I should have killed that man myself. He's so wicked. That man is so wicked. Like, I can't believe it.
Thank goodness he died the way he did. I am sure he's still going to suffer in the afterlife. Hey! What a wicked fellow.
My children, you have seen that a lot has happened regarding this incident. And I believe we can solve this problem ourselves. I am here now begging you all, please, in God's name, let's give truth a chance, please.
It's okay.
So that my sister, your mother, can be buried in peace. Please.
Auntie, it's okay.
Kai! The one that is paining me now is that this man used my head. Uncle Ojobe used my head. It's okay, Nambo guy. This man won't die. Kai! This man used my head. This man used my head. Ah.
Like your shadows, the enemy is lurking around. You'll never know who you trust could step you at the back. You never know, so beware of who you trust. So beware of who you listen to. Please beware of the hand you hold. It could lead you are smiling, but their heart is full of envy.
My children, I must tell you, this is one of my happiest moments. Yes. I am very glad because we all have decided to involve truth in this matter. The truth that will bring peace. The truth that will make you all shed your sword and let the sleeping dog lie. The story about Margaret is very simple and straight, and that's what I will tell you now. And I believe that after this, we all will be one again. You see, when Margaret left her husband and traveled to America after they had an issue, she met another person there, another man. At the initial stage, the first husband was to be refunded the bride price he paid, but your grandfather, our father, refused, believing he would settle their differences. Of course, that was not to be as the man died. It was there and then that the second husband, your father, came and paid the first bride price. That is, refunded it and then paid his own bride price according to the custom and tradition of the land. In other words, having the woman as his wife. The narratives you people have had all this while, that nobody paid for Margaret, nobody paid her bride price, are all fallacy. All the stories. The story you are hearing is fallacy. They paid her, the second husband paid her bride price. I know that Ojebe sold that idea to you because of his selfish interest. I know him. And I believe that you will now understand. Now that you've heard the truth, I believe it is wise if we do the right thing now.
Honestly speaking, I am very happy. Thank you so much for revealing the truth.
Thank you very much, Uncle. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You've done well.
Uncle, thank you very much.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Well, we would do what you say on one condition.
What condition?
What condition?
Oh yes. We will allow our mother to be buried in Nkano. Fine. But the celebration and funeral will be done in Udi, our place.
What?
She's our mother too. We owe her that love and respect.
Like a
That is it.
shadows, the enemy is looking around. You never know, you'll never know who you trust could stab you at the back. You never know, so beware of who you trust. So beware of who you listen to.
I've
made a lot of money since I joined this company.
Stop! Did you see where you missed it? Read the script. Investment company. You have to let them know that they are investing with us. Again.
I've been looking for a job for the past 8 months, and today I have an interview.
Tell me about your marketing experiences.
I worked as a marketer in a bank for 2 years after my service.
I got the job. Just say anything. Don't argue with me. Victoria! Victoria! Call the driver. We don't want to hear.
About the name, the African Crypto Queen, how did you come up with that?
Is there anyone in this continent doing it as well as I am? Of course not. I am #1. Fantastic. Cut!